major American airline Alaska Airlines is based in SeaTac, Washington, which is part of the Seattle metropolitan region. In terms of scheduled passengers carried, it ranks as the fifth biggest airline in North America. Alaska runs a route network that connects cities on the U.S. West Coast to over 100 destinations in the U.S. contiguous states, Bahamas, Belize, Canada, Costa Rica, Guatemala, and Mexico. Alaska also operates a network with its regional partners, Horizon Air and SkyWest Airlines. There are 5 hubs where the airline operates. Seattle-Tacoma International Airport serves as its main hub. Oneworld is the third biggest airline alliance worldwide, and Alaska Airlines is a part of it. With more than 16,000 employees as of 2020, the airline has been recognized for 12 years running by J.D. Power and Associates as having the best customer satisfaction among traditional airlines. Alaska Airlines announced in December 2023 that it will acquire Hawaiian Airlines for $1.9 billion.
The Alaska Airlines fleet are all Boeing 737 series aircraft, operated directly by Alaska Airlines. A regional fleet of Alaska branded Embraer 175 jets are operated by the Alaska Air Group-owned regional airlines, Horizon Air and contractor SkyWest Airlines. The cargo fleet is 3 Boeing 737-700 freighter jets and 1 Boeing 737-800 freighter jet that were formerly passenger aircraft. Alaska Airlines advertises its relationship with Boeing commercial airplanes. Nearly all aircraft in the mainline fleet have the Boeing logo and, proudly all Boeing under the cockpit windows. Alaska operates an aircraft in a special livery celebrating the plane maker's 100th anniversary. After Alaska merged with Virgin America on January 11, 2018, it took possession of its fleet of Airbus aircraft. Over time, the airline slowly removed the Airbus jets from its fleet. All 10 Airbus A320 jets were taken out of service in mid-2020 due to insufficient demand and low profit margins due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The fleet of 53 A320 jets was slowly removed from service as leases expired and new 737s were purchased, with the final jet going out of service in January 2023. The airline's 10 remaining Airbus A321neo jets are scheduled to be removed from service by the end of 2023, as part of their fleet simplification plan to revert to an all-Boeing fleet.
Before merging with Alaska Airlines in 2018, Virgin America was a low-cost carrier serving the U.S. market from 2004 to 2018. The airline's main goal was to provide higher quality, low-cost service connecting major cities on the West Coast and other places. Its main bases were in San Francisco and Los Angeles, with a minor focal city operation at Love Field in Dallas. Its headquarters were in the San Francisco Bay Area city of Burlingame. It flew domestic flights to major U.S. cities. The Virgin Group, located in the United Kingdom and the owner of the Virgin Atlantic and Virgin Australia airline brands, granted a license for the airline's branding when it started operating as an independent airline in 2007. At an estimated cost of $4 billion, the Alaska Air Group purchased Virgin America in April 2016. Virgin America remained a separate entity until April 24, 2018, when it was completely integrated into Alaska Airlines.
It has excellent regulations regarding fees and pets, a high-value reward rate for its mileage plan program, and first-quality perks for its elite members. In addition to being the greatest airline reward program according to NerdWallet, Alaska is a fantastic airline for travel.
Making a reservation for a flight with Alaska is rather simple, and you can do so online or using the Airlines app. For flights departing from Alaska, you can check in up to 24 hours ahead of time. You have 3 options for checking in: at the airport, on the Alaska website, or via the app. You may get a digital copy of your boarding pass by using the app. If not, you can obtain a paper copy upon checking in at the airport or print your boarding ticket at home. Alaska Airlines uses 7 distinct categories to board its aircraft: first class, mileage plan elite members, premium class ticket holders, main cabin passengers, saver seat holders, and pre-boarding, which includes visitors with children under 2. The cabin that you have reserved and the aircraft on which you are traveling can have a significant impact on your in-flight experience. The majority of airplanes provide $8 Wi-Fi for the length of your journey, and even if you choose not to pay for internet connection, you may still use free texting.
The Mileage Plus reward program offered by Alaska is excellent. Award tickets can be redeemed for as little as 5,000 miles, and the amount of miles you receive depends on the distance you travel, not the cost of your ticket. Since Alaska is a part of the One World Alliance, you may book flights on partner airlines such as American Airlines, British Airways, Finnair, Qantas, Cathay Pacific, and Qatar Airways using your mileage plan miles. Even a few carefully chosen non-One World Alliance members, such as Singapore Airlines, Aer Lingus, and Korean Air, allow you to buy tickets with your Alaska points. Alaska Airlines is a fantastic option if you're worried about safety when you travel. An analysis conducted in 2021 by airlineratings.com ranked Alaska as the 9th safest airline worldwide and the safest airline in the United States. Most Alaska passengers are satisfied with the airline. Alaska was placed 2nd in customer happiness by first and business class passengers and 6th by customers flying in economy cabins in a 2022 J.D. Power research on North American airline satisfaction.